Crypto markets are bouncing hard, and Bitcoin and major altcoins are enjoying a relief rally. And even though some are still down by about 80% from their all-time highs, the rally is a breather for the bulls. Bitcoin pumped to 21K and then to 22K with low volumes. But what about the whales? Are they selling this rally? Given the worsening macroeconomic conditions, can this pump last for long? Or will the crypto markets tumble once again? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Natalie, and thank you for tuning into Altcoin Buzz. We are a crypto investing research company, so we are here to bring you the latest crypto updates for your trades and investments. And we also offer regular on-chain analysis and more through Altcoin Buzz Access Pro, which is a hub for direct info on early gems, technical analysis, NFT mint opportunities, and so much more. And you can check out our plan starting at $99 a month in the description below or on the link on the screen. And make sure you subscribe to our channel so you're up to date with our latest updates and news. And while we try to serve our crypto community, this is not financial advice, and investments, even in regulated entities, can lose money. So let's get to this week's breakdown. This video is part of our on-chain analysis series, and we find it necessary to understand and analyze patterns that can help us prepare for the future. In today's video, we will analyze 3 important on-chain activities for Bitcoin, exploding Ethereum, and Binance. Number 1 on our list is the status of Bitcoin miner capitulation. It is no big secret that Bitcoin miners control most of the active Bitcoin liquidity. Yes, whales are influential players, but over time, many miners do become whales. And when the miners sell their Bitcoin reserves, it points to an eventual bottom of the market. We have noticed that since 2021, miners have been consistently accumulating Bitcoin, which also means that the miners have not realized any significant profit over the last 18 months. But now, miners are forced to sell their biggest bags. Some major reasons include increasing mining costs, like last month, the cost to mine a single Bitcoin had crossed $24,000. Now, it's come down to 10-month lows of $13K. How does that happen in a month? Well, because mining equipment efficiency has gone up and the price of Bitcoin has gone down. Thus, many miners are left with no option other than to sell some of their Bitcoin reserves. That option comes with consequences. The most critical consequence is a short-term price fall. There's too much selling pressure from miners and minimal buying pressure from investors. And there's a supply-demand mismatch, and the market might settle for an even lower Bitcoin price. Number 2 on our list is Ethereum's behind-the-scenes on-chain activity. Ethereum has been exploding. Ether is up 40% over the last 7 days, and according to our recent Twitter poll, over 54% of our Twitter followers are excited about Ethereum this week. You can check out the poll and more crypto updates by following our Twitter page at Altcoin Buzz.io. Back to Ethereum, the network has had a great turn of events, especially after announcing the merge date for September 19th. It was crucial for the entire altcoin market. Most alts pumped between 10 and 30%, but Ethereum is still trading well below its $4,800 all-time high. One transaction caught our attention. On July 18th, 20.4 thousand Ether was transferred to the FTX exchange. The wallet holds almost $250,000 worth of assets now, and its primary and secondary wallets hold $48 million and $31 million in assets respectively. And most importantly, the wallets have been heavy with stablecoins for at least 2 to 3 years. This tells us that there's a high likelihood that some whales don't believe the bear market is over. This also tells us a few other things. That whales are not happy with the market and they'll possibly dump on these relief rallies. 2, that it is better to take profits when the market is green. And 3, we might experience a long bear market this time around. This is just what the market is telling us fundamentally. But when we look at it from a technical perspective, we see a liquidity gap between $1,300 and $1,700. And if you're trying to piece together what this all means for the short-term price action for Ethereum, you can get even more clarification by watching our new Ethereum price prediction video that went up today. And you can get to know Ethereum's support and resistance levels for smarter trades. Number 3 on our list is the master plan of Binance whales. Binance is the biggest centralized crypto exchange with the most volume and liquidity. And these factors make Binance a whale destination for Bitcoin. But have the inflows to Binance affected Bitcoin? Let's see how Bitcoin price action is correlated with the exchange inflow into Binance. In mid-March of 2022, the exchange inflow to Binance was at moderate levels, with Bitcoin ranging between 38 and 47K at the time. But as soon as the price crashed to $32,000 in the first week of May, whales started sending their Bitcoin holdings to exchanges to sell in profit. And when Bitcoin prices stabilized for the next 2 weeks, it looked like whales were looking for exit liquidity to avoid further dips in Bitcoin's price. Whales eventually succeeded and were able to sell their Bitcoin at the $30,000 to $32,000 level, which precipitated another fall to 20K in June of 2022. Since then, Bitcoin has been trading in the $19,000 to $21,000 price range. However, on July 17th, Bitcoin inflows broke the moderate levels yet again. It's hard not to wonder, are Binance whales planning another dump? Only time will tell. However, by analyzing past behaviors, they're likely to grab exit liquidity from liquidating shorts and more. So right now you need to be very careful with Bitcoin trades. This move from sub 19K to 22K in the last couple of days could just be a dead cat bounce or a brief rally. It's a lot to take in, but being an observer in this market landscape isn't the worst thing to be, especially if you need more clarity from all the volatility. And if you're looking for more on-chain analysis, price predictions, and more, you'll love our Altcoin Buzz Access Pro group, where you can get up to the minute research in the palm of your hand. More info is in the description for you. And of course, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all our latest content. Here's some videos to get started with. As always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.